If you're always broke, it's probably not just bad luck. It's the quiet habits, the ones you barely notice. The daily decisions that feel normal, but are secretly keeping you stuck. In this video, we're breaking down 5 habits that keep people poor and how to finally break free from them. Habit 1. Avoiding your bank account. You know that feeling when you don't want to check your balance? So you avoid it altogether? That's financial denial. And it's costing you. When you don't track your money, it controls you. You overspend. You forget what you owe. And somehow you're always broke by the 20th of the month. Rich people treat money like a business. Broke people avoid it like a horror movie. Habit 2. Spending to escape. You've had a long week. You're tired. You say, I deserve this. And just like that, you spend what little you have on things you didn't even plan for. Emotional spending is a trap. It feels good in the moment, but it's how broke people stay broke. If money is your escape, you'll never build a way out. Habit 3. Financing a lifestyle you can't afford. New phone, new couch, buy now, pay later, new outfit. Put it on credit. We're living in a culture of upgrades, with no cash in the account. The truth? Financing comfort now means sacrificing freedom later. Rich people buy assets first, then use the income to fund their lifestyle. Broke people do it in reverse. Habit 4. Postponing learning. You say you'll start budgeting tomorrow, or learn how money works next month. That's how 10 years go by. And you're still stuck. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to care enough to start. Every rich person you admire learns something you're still avoiding. Habit 5. Thinking small. You think $20 saved is pointless. You think small wins don't matter, but that's the trap. Most rich people didn't start rich. They started with 5 wins and scaled up. If you don't respect small money, you'll never handle big money. Money follows mindset, and mindset is a habit, not luck. Most people stay broke because they repeat these habits on autopilot. But now, you're aware. The moment you question your patterns, you give yourself power. At Novac, we make money. Makes sense. No hype, no fluff. So if this hits you, give us a like. Join the community and follow for real talk about building wealth, the kind no one teaches. We'll see you in the next one.